you ever wonder why your garden doesn't look as lush as those you see online or at your neighbor's place? Here's the secret no one talks about: you might be feeding your plants the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you how to fertilize your garden for maximum growth and blooming like you've never seen before. Understand your soil. First off, it's all about knowing your soil. Think of your garden like a hungry guest. Before you serve food, you need to know their preferences, right? Your soil works the same way. Start with a simple soil test. This will tell you what your soil is lacking, whether it's nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium. This way, you're not just throwing in fertilizer and hoping for the best. You can find easy-to-use soil test kits at most gardening stores. They're a game changer. Choose the right fertilizer. Now that you've got the scoop on your soil, it's time to pick the right fertilizer. Organic or synthetic? Granular or liquid? This is where most people go wrong. If you want those maximum results I promised, here's the trick: match the fertilizer to your soil's needs and your plant's growth stages. Young plants need a boost of nitrogen, while flowering ones crave phosphorus to blossom beautifully. Look for numbers like 10, 10, 10, or 5, 10, 5 on the fertilizer bag. That's your NPK ratio, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and it's super easy to remember once you get the hang of it. Perfect timing is everything. Timing can make or break your efforts. Think of fertilizing like having meals. You wouldn't want to eat dinner at midnight, right? Your plants need regular feeding, but it's not just about when, it's about how often. Feed your plants in the early morning or late evening to avoid burning them under the hot sun. Don't overdo it. Less is more. One of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is over-fertilizing. When it comes to fertilizing, more is not better. Overdoing it can lead to burnt roots or leaves, and nobody wants that. A simple rule is to follow the instructions on the fertilizer label. Those numbers are there for a reason. How to apply: make it count. Applying fertilizer isn't just sprinkling it around and calling it a day. Make sure you're spreading it evenly around the base of your plants and gently working it into the top layer of soil. If you're using a liquid fertilizer, remember to water it in thoroughly. This helps the nutrients soak in where they're needed most. Use a watering can with a fine spout for liquid fertilizers. It's like giving your plants a refreshing drink. Monitor and adjust. Lastly, don't forget to keep an eye on your garden. Fertilizing isn't a one-time deal. It's like maintaining a good relationship. Keep an eye on the leaves, flowers, and growth patterns. If you see yellowing leaves or slow growth, your plants might be trying to tell you something. Adjust the type or amount of fertilizer based on what you observe. And there you have it, a simple guide to fertilizing your garden for maximum results. It's not just about throwing some nutrients in, it's about understanding timing and care. So, are you ready to give your garden the boost it deserves? Go ahead and try these steps and let me know in the comments how your plants respond. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and don't forget to share it with a friend who needs to hear this. Until next time, happy gardening. And remember, a healthy garden starts with the right food.